Travis Dorman, Director of Fluid Power at Adams Corp. I get asked this question a lot, and that is, how do I get the information you need to size a hydraulic valve? So the first thing I want to know is, what size valve do you have? The most common we deal with is what's called a DO3 or a DO5 style valve. So a DO3 would have a diamond pattern on the bottom and be a much smaller platform. And a DO5 would be a V pattern on the bottom and be a little bigger. When looking at the valve, the first questions I'm going to have is, what voltage is it? Is it AC or DC? Normally you can find that stamped into the coils on the valve itself. And then also on top of the valve, I need to know, is it a DIN connector like this one here, or is it a wiring box like this right here? Once I know that, if you could get me a picture of the top of the valve, which shows a schematic of what the functions are on that given valve, that helps me also know what I need to size. And then, is it dual coil like this one, or a single coil like this one? Having that information makes it real quick and easy for me to look in our inventory and see what we have, so we can get you out something quickly.